How to recover WhatsApp U1's photos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Sign in to your account. Then you will land on this home section of WhatsApp where you have to simply view the view once photo if you have got one. Remember, the photo disappears after viewing, so proceed with the next steps quickly. You need to simply tap three dots at top right corner and go to settings. Scroll down and open chats. Scroll to the bottom and open chat backup. Now tap on backup and wait for the process to complete. Once you're done with that, you simply need to rename the WhatsApp folder. Open File Manager or Files application on your device. Scroll to the bottom and navigate to internal storage and bottom left corner. Open Android. Now select Media and find com.whatsapp folder and rename it example. Remove a letter like O in the name. So simply tap three dots and tap rename. Now delete O and you need to rename it to cm.whatsapp and tap on OK button. And now exit from this app. Now you need to simply uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. For that, you need to tap and hold WhatsApp and tap the trash button and here select uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from Google Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Now again launch WhatsApp and you have to simply set up the WhatsApp. From there you need to simply tap restore and after restoring, you can check your chats or rename folder in the file manager for media recovery. So this method may not work in all cases due to WhatsApp privacy policies and app updates. So always respect privacy when handling other photos. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.